Hey everybody, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Tuesday, which means it's the 52-week challenge and the budget mom. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to be stuffing the budget mom. I did say that we're only going to stuff it twice this month because of how the challenge is. But I decided since I have extra money, I'm going to go ahead and stuff that as well. So that's going to be super exciting. We're going to be stuffing $12 in that. But before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and hit that notification because you do not want to miss these videos, because then you can just comment on my video what number you would like. And if I pick it, then you will win a $10 Amazon gift card. And who doesn't like free money? Because I absolutely love free money. So we're going to go ahead and do the Budget Mom Challenge first. So I'm just going to zoom out just a little bit. Now, like I said, we were only supposed to stuff the March one twice because you're supposed to do it every time you get paid. Well, I did have some extra money, so we're going to go ahead and stuff it again. So like I said, I think, what did I say? It was $168 I had left, or $116. I have to look at it. This is like my little rough draft notebook that I do every time. Yep, $116 is how much we have. So that notebook is literally just my rough draft for whenever I'm filming videos and whenever I'm planning on where to put my money at. So 116, which is 10%. And we are on 316, and we're going to add $12. So $12 is how much you're going to add. So if you are new and you have no idea what I'm talking about, so the Budget Mom, she is on YouTube. She is really great. She has these fun challenges that you can do every single month, all the way up to a year. She has 2 challenges usually for every month. I only pick one because of the money financial situation and all that stuff. But we are doing the 5% or 10% or however much percent that you want to put back. And essentially it's whatever's money's left over that after you pay your bills and stuff, your envelopes and everything, you put 10%, or take my $116 times 0.10, which is 10%, and that will get me $12. So that is how much we are going to be stuffing. So we should have $24. So 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So $24. And I always get the question, what am I doing with all of this money? Whenever I'm done, it is literally going towards wedding and debt. So whatever I owe for wedding will go towards the wedding. And if I have anything left over, then that will go towards, what's it called? Debt. Because I have some debt that I need to pay off. Alright, so 52-week challenge. We received 25 comments. I really feel like it says 31 comments, but maybe a lot of them went to my spam. And I have this app. It's like YouTube Studio where it shows you all your comments and everything. So maybe I need to go and make sure that there's nothing in the spam, because it said they had 31 comments. I'm not sure. But we have 25 comments that had a number, and they all start from Nicole Carpenter all the way to Hummingbird Hicks. So that is the order of how everybody guessed their numbers. Now, I have gotten a lot of new people, and I can always explain how the 52-week challenge works again. But like I said, hopefully somebody will win this time, or we did win. We did pull a winner last week, so congratulations to Tina. She did claim her prize, and I did send over her $10 Amazon gift card. So congratulations to her again. She is allowed to comment, but if she gets picked again, then she does have to sit out this week. But you can still comment if you would like. All right, so what would be the lucky number this week? I'm actually either hoping something under 10 or under, so we can pull again. Or, let's see, or 52. Because next week is going to be a struggle for me because I do get paid this week. But it's not going to be a big amount. So hopefully we can get a huge amount this week and a small amount next week. But you know what? Who knows? All right, so we're going to do this one, and it is $8. Do you know what that means, you guys? That means we're going to be 2 weeks ahead, because less than $8, that means we are pulling again. Oh my gosh, I'm actually scared because I exactly have $52. So let's take $8 out. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to do $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So $8. Oops. And let's see if somebody guessed $8, which I do not think. There was a $7, but I do not think there was an $8. So there is not an $8. So we still have a chance to pull another number. So that's super exciting that we're going to be 2 weeks ahead. 2 weeks up ahead. So that is great. All right, let's pull this one. And it is going to be 13. So number 13. Let's see if somebody wins. And I believe somebody has. So Nina, congratulations on picking number 13. She has been commenting every week. I believe she's actually been commenting every week, number 13. So congratulations to you. Go ahead and claim your prize. Leave me an email. I usually send the Amazon gift card out on Friday, but you do have until Friday at 3 p.m. to claim your prize. If not, it will be non-void. And since you win, you can still comment next week, but you just cannot participate in the drawing. So $8 and $13 is how much we are going to be putting in. So that is super exciting. So we're going to have exactly 8 plus 13. If you hear anything in the back, that's just Dobby just wandering around. So $21. So we're actually going to use the $20 bill and the 1. So that is super exciting, you guys. We are going to be ahead of schedule. So we're supposed to be on week 11, but we're actually on week 12 and 13 now. So we are 2 weeks ahead of schedule. So let's go ahead and add all of this up. So $283 plus $8 is going to be $291. Oh my gosh, you guys. Plus 21 is $312. So that means we have hit another milestone. We are over $300. That is so exciting, you guys. I am so excited about this. It's just surreal how much money we are saving with the 52-week challenge. And I just want to know why you have not started. Let me know down below if you have started yet, or if you plan on starting. It's really not too late to start. You can just do half of it. You can do all the big numbers if you want, or you can do all the little numbers, or you can just do, you know, what is it, 26 weeks, and that's it. So y'all can do this. I believe in y'all. I mean, why wouldn't y'all want to do this, you guys? I think this is like my favorite favorite challenge I have done. Now, I am going to talk to you about a new challenge that I'm going to possibly do, but it's going to be at like my pace and not like every single week. But we'll get into that in a minute. All right, so $312 is how much we are needing. So let's see. 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's not right. It's $312, right? Yes. So $312. So let me make sure. 1, 2, 40, 60, 80. Wait, 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 80. 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Am I missing? I think I'm missing some. Hold on. Oh, yep. It's in the envelope. Let me grab it real quick. So I'm actually acting blind right now. I thought there was money in the other envelope, but it was actually Dobby's envelope. But I went back and I looked at it. So I put $21 because 8 plus 13 is $21. So I had to redo that. I will white out this and make it look a little bit better. But we are looking for $304, not $312. Oof. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, $304, so that sounds right. 4, there's 1, 2, and 3. So $304 is how much we have. And we're going to be putting that back into our envelopes. Sorry about that, you guys. But you know what? People make mistakes, so that is fine with me. Let's go ahead and start coloring, and then I will talk about the new challenge that everybody's talking about, that everybody is doing right now. And I kind of want to be a follower and not a leader, because, you know, I love new trends. So we are going to be doing 8 and 13. So 13 is going to get a yellow, and I'm going to have to figure out what 8 gets. But yes, so I know a lot of people have seen the 100 envelope challenge, which I literally have envelopes right here that I bought maybe like a couple of months ago, or maybe like in December. But I really want to try it. It's going to be at my own pace. I think at the end you earn 5,000, what was it, 5,050 or 5,550? I really haven't calculated it or anything. I know a lot of people has talked about it. It's 5,000. It's over 5,000. That's all I know. But that would be really fun. Jared has said that he would jump on with me. But it would be at my own pace, because like I said, I'm not getting paid that much from school or from work. So we couldn't do it every single week. We would probably have to do it whenever we do get extra money like that. So say if I have maybe $30 extra, we can split $30 between a couple of envelopes, or we can just do $30 envelope. So that is my thought process for that. Now let me figure out what 8 is real quick. Yellow, purple, pink, yellow, purple, pink. So pink is 8. But yeah, so I really want to do that challenge. I know a lot of people who are doing it right now, and I love watching it, and it's like, wow, they're going to save like $5,000, and that could go towards a lot of stuff for us, like debt. I can pay off 2 credit cards. No, 1 credit card and a student loan if I have to. Like with $5,000, that's what I could do with that money, is pay off that, which would be awesome. There's a lot of people who are doing it, you know, when they have extra money, they're doing it once a week, one envelope a week. There's one that's doing, like, I think she stuffed maybe 3. It's Jacqueline. I think it's Jacqueline. She stuffed like 3 envelopes in 1 week, and then she stuffs like 10 of them in 1 month. It was crazy. Like, she's killing it. But anyways, yeah, so that is what I'm thinking about doing. I'm not sure. Let me know your thought process down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, for doing the 52-week challenge. Congratulations to Nina, of course. Go ahead and claim your prize. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys again on Saturday for a stuffing video, because we are getting paid, and then hopefully a grocery haul on Sunday, and then next week is the 52-week challenge on Tuesday, which is the Thrifty Tuesday. But anyways, love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.